Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can export your bookmarks and bookmarks folders from the Opera browser, for instance, to save it on your device and to import them later in another browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. Launch the Opera browser, navigate to your start page, right click into anywhere you like here on the start page and select bookmarks, or right click into the bookmarks bar and use the same option. Here inside the bookmarks center, what you want to do is click into the drop down menu in the bottom left, and instead of importing, select export bookmarks. After that, save the given bookmarks list as HTML, give the file a name, navigate to the given folder on your device and save it to export it as a HTML file that may be uploaded later when imported on another browser with all your saved bookmarks. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.